Hello everyone, I am Soumya. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is little different because in this I am going to unbox the art and craft supplies from Itsy Bitsy. So this was the packaging I have received. Itsy Bitsy is an online shopping website for art and craft supplies, and this video is not sponsored by them. I have ordered sculpture paste, crackle medium varnish and some decoupage papers. So I have ordered 3 decoupage papers and 1 decoupage napkin. So this is decoupage napkin. The cost of this is 40 rupees and I have got one sheet in it. So the next one is a filament decoupage paper A4 garden sheet. It consists of 2 sheets and the cost of this is 169. So next one is decoupage paper A4 floral essence. The net quantity is 4 units and the cost of this is 75 rupees. So next one is decoupage paper A4 rose passion. It consists of 4 units and the cost of this is 75 rupees. So these are crackle medium and decor varnish. So this is decor varnish in glass and the quantity of this is 100 ml and the price of this is 250. So this is one step crackle medium and the quantity is 100 ml and it is priced at 140 rupees. So these are little birdie sculpture paste. This is rosewood sculpture paste and the cost of this is 279. And the quantity of this is 160 grams. Next is Little Birdie Sculpture Paste in the shade Golden Canary, and the cost of this is $2.79. Next shade is Marina Blue, and the quantity and price are same as before. The next shade is Snow Spread, and the quantity is 400 grams, and the price of this is $4.99. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do click on the notification bell so you are notified every time I put up a new video. Please like, share and comment.